Hi everyone, welcome to the Meeta Diaries. I am Namita and today I have come here to talk to you all about something new. Something which is new in my life, something that I have started to practice recently. As you all know that we are spending a lot of time indoors from past 3 or 4 months, almost 4 months now. We are all staying at home mostly. So during this time only, I realized that how important it is to have organized and simplified spaces. So I am talking about decluttering. Now, decluttering is not something very new to me. I always knew what decluttering was, but practicing it is a different game altogether. So when you literally start practicing it, you get to know that how significant it is, how it can actually change a lot of things in your home, in your life, in your energies. So that is why I thought I'll share it with you, if it can be of any help to you all as well. So what is decluttering, first of all? If you don't know, decluttering means getting rid of or removing all the unnecessary stuff or items that you have. About me, I'm a hoarder. I have always been a hoarder. I would just keep things for the sake of keeping them. It is not like they're of great use to me. I would keep them out of emotions, maybe. I'm an emotional person, and emotional people are not only attached to people, but they are equally attached to things as well. So I was keeping a lot of things just because of some emotions attached to them. Parting with those things is really difficult. So, how I started to do it, it's like the first thing is that I would like to tell you is to buy less. I am personally not an impulsive buyer. I would not just go and buy things impulsively. But if you are, then the first thing is to abstain yourself from buying just anything. Buy only if something is really necessary for your home. Don't just hoard stuff. Don't just go shopping unnecessarily. These things really help. Now, the second thing, I think this is the most relevant one. It holds a lot of significance. It is that you get rid of the things that you've not used for 1 year. It is, I think, specifically for the clothes or the outfits that we have not worn for over a year. Maybe they don't fit in. Maybe they've lost their luster. Maybe they're out of trend now. So, whatever the reason is, you need to take it out. It would be very difficult initially, but be that harsh to yourself because they're just piling up inside your wardrobe. They are taking a lot of space. So take those clothes out or whatever items that you've not used. Logically, it is obvious that the things that we have not used in 1 year, we are not going to reach out for them again. They're like the chances are that we would not need them. So get rid of them. Now, the third point is related to this second point. When we have actually taken out those things and piled them up, be it your clothes or whatever item or whatever home decoration, whatever you are not using now, when you've piled them up, now you have to decide whether to donate them or trash them. If there are things that you believe that you've invested a lot of money in and just trashing it away is not a very good idea, you can donate it to your maid, or there are a lot of people who are in need of things. You can give it to them. There are NGOs also who take the old stuff and they upcycle it. You can do that. Now, it is up to you, and something which is not of a great value, you can discard it. Please do that. It would seem difficult, but once you get rid of it, you would never miss it. You would never remember having it once. Now, there are some things which you can't either donate or trash. There are things which are expensive and you believe that even donating them is not an option for you. You can consider selling it. Now, this is the fourth point. Whether you want to sell it, there is OLX, Quicker. You can always sell it so that you can even make some money when you are getting rid of it, which are expensive, which are of great value. Or you can upcycle or recycle them. Like I have started to do it a lot. There were a lot of things which I didn't want to just get away with, or I just didn't want to throw them away. I wanted to keep them, but keeping them in the same shape was not a good idea. So I upcycled them, I recycled them, changed their form or something. I have recycled a lot of my old clothes because they had nice prints, so if I could make something else out of them, I've done it. This is something which I've genuinely done. So you can consider either selling it off or recycling them. Now the last one that you can do is that view your home as if you are the first time visitor. Now this is something that I have actually started to do. I have started to view my home as a guest or as the first time visitor. It makes a lot of difference. You will automatically get to know what is extra and it is absolutely not required, and how you can actually transform your storage spaces also. So if you can do that, if you can view your home as a visitor or as a first time visitor, you will realize that there are a lot of things that still need to not occupy a lot of space in your house. Once you do all these things, once decluttering is a part of your life, once you've started to get rid of stuff as soon as you realize that it is not important, you will genuinely feel that there is a lot of space, there is a lot of freedom, there is a lot of good energy that is there in your home. Mess always keeps us messy. So if we want to be really free, if we want to be really happy, we need to have a clutter free space. I have realized this importance now, that the hoarded spaces, the lot of mess, lot of compilation of stuff, unnecessary stuff just makes life more messy, more convoluted. So I just have started to practice it, and you can also give it a try if you feel that this is something which you need to do as well, if you're not already doing it, because I've seen people who are already so organized. This was one part which was missing in my life. I have introduced into my life, and that is why I'm sharing it with you. So if you like the whole idea of decluttering, give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel, and you can even leave suggestions for what you really want to see. It would be a great help for me to create further content, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Like always, take care of yourself. Bye bye.